Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute little ghosts. First, we're going to start with our model magic, and we're going to roll it out into a flat piece. So I'm using my toilet paper tube as a rolling pin. I had to flatten it a little bit before rolling, but once you have a pretty good shape, you'll be good. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Remember, this is a sheet. But we just kind of roll it out to be all the same thickness. Once I had that, I pulled it out and I picked up my ping pong ball to help shape out my little ghost. So I stuck that in the middle and then worked on draping my ghost over it, remembering to add all of the curves and bends in it to really look like a piece of sheet falling over. Next, I took my little piece of straw and I found a spot to poke out where its eyes would go. I decided to not give this ghost a mouth because I thought just the eyes was a little cuter for this one. Then I pressed down the edges of my toilet paper tube because my ping pong ball was sliding right through, and I pressed those down so that way I could dry my little piece of ghost until the next day. Here he is the next day, all dry. He's a little squishy, but that's how he's supposed to be. And now I can put him over my candle, and I have the cutest decoration.